Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the currency in your GoDaddy account. Whether you're shopping for domains or web hosting, it's important to see prices in your local currency. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your browser and then go to www.godaddy.com and make sure that you are logged into your GoDaddy account. Once you have made sure you are logged in, click onto your account name or profile icon which is at the top right corner of the screen between the add to cart and help option. So simply click on it. Once you click on it, search for an account setting from the drop down menu and click on it. In your account setting, look for the section called default currency or billing information. This is where you can adjust your default currency for purchase. As you can see, currently it is set to Indian rupees, and for changing it, you have to simply click on it. Now click on the currency drop down menu. Here you will see a list of available currency based on your location and preference. Select the one you want to use for your transactions, and once you have selected the one, click on the make primary option. As you can see, it has changed from Indian rupees to European. And that's it, you have successfully changed the currency in your GoDaddy account. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.